Alien Power Cleaner Review, scam or legit? Today we're diving into one of the most hyped cleaning products online, Alien Power Cleaner. It claims to dissolve mold instantly, clean every surface imaginable, and do it all without gloves or harsh chemicals. Sounds too good to be true? Let's find out. Alien Power Cleaner is marketed as a multi-purpose stain remover. According to its official site, it works on tile, grout, stucco, fabric, and even car interiors. The pitch? Spray, wait, wipe, and boom. Mold and grime vanish. No scrubbing, no fumes, no gloves. But here's where things get murky. The product is only sold on a brand new website, byalienpower.com, registered just months ago. There's no Amazon listing, no third-party reviews, and no social media buzz. For a miracle cleaner, that's unusual. Even Scam Advisor gives the site a trust score of 71 out of 100. Not terrible, but not reassuring either. We tested Alien Power Cleaner on three surfaces: bathroom tile, fabric upholstery, and a moldy stucco wall. The results mixed at best. Light stains faded, but mold didn't vanish instantly, and we still had to scrub. So, is Alien Power Cleaner a scam? Not exactly. It's a real product and it does clean, but it doesn't live up to its bold claims. The lack of transparency, exaggerated marketing, and absence of real reviews make it hard to trust.